Email marketing is still king when it comes to ROI, but juggling multiple tools for email campaigns, landing pages, and analytics? Yeah, that's a headache. What if you could do it all in one place? Meet Acumbamail, the all-in-one email marketing platform designed to grow your business effortlessly. With Acumbamail, you can create stunning emails, build high-converting landing pages, and automate your campaigns, all from a single platform. No more bouncing between apps. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or a full-blown marketing agency, this tool has everything you need to engage your audience and boost conversions. Let's dive into what makes Acumbamail stand out. Easy, high-converting email campaigns. Choose from over 850 ready-made templates and add eye-catching visuals, interactive elements, and even countdown timers to create emails that actually get clicks. Automated workflows for smarter marketing. No two customers are the same, so why send them the same emails? Acumbamail lets you automate campaigns based on audience behavior, optimize sending times, and even A/B test your emails for better results. Advanced analytics and list management. Track your email performance with real-time data and manage your subscriber lists efficiently. Import contacts, validate emails, and use detailed reports to refine your strategy. Custom landing pages that convert. And don't stop at emails. Acumbamail also helps you create beautiful, responsive landing pages in just a few clicks. Use pop-ups, exit intent forms, and integrate with WordPress to capture more leads. Why waste time with multiple tools when you can streamline everything with Acumbamail? Build engaging email campaigns, automate workflows, and create high-converting landing pages, all in one place. Don't miss out. Get lifetime access to Acumbamail today and take your email marketing to the next level. Hit that like button if this video helped and subscribe for more game-changing marketing tools. See you in the next one.